What if your cruise ship was smaller than a football field or bigger than a small town? River and ocean cruises feel like two different worlds. Stick around as we uncover 5 mind-blowing contrasts in size, ports, food, and vibe to help you pick the perfect one. Hey cruise lovers, welcome back. If you're debating between a relaxing river cruise through Europe's historic heartlands or an action-packed ocean adventure, this video is for you. These two styles might both involve ships and ports, but they're shockingly different in ways that affect everything from your daily routine to your overall experience. We're counting down the 5 most surprising differences, focusing on ship size, ports, food, and vibe, so you can decide which one fits your travel style. Let's jump in, starting at number 5. Number 5, ship size, intimate boutique versus massive floating city. River cruise ships are compact and sleek, usually carrying just 100 to 200 passengers to navigate narrow rivers and low bridges. Think cozy, easy to get around vessels with a personal feel. Ocean ships? They're giants, often 2,000 to 6,000 plus passengers, stacked with multiple pools, theaters, and endless decks. The shock here is the scale. River cruises feel like a private boutique hotel on water, perfect if you hate crowds, while ocean ones deliver that big resort energy with non-stop activity. If you're introverted or want to know your fellow cruisers by name, River wins big. Number 4, ports and itineraries, non-stop exploration versus sea days and far-flung stops. River cruises are all about the destinations. They dock daily, sometimes twice, right in the center of charming towns, historic cities or vineyards, often with overnights for evening strolls. No wasted time on long sails. Ocean cruises mix in sea days for relaxing on board, with ports that are often coastal or islands, requiring shuttles or tenders. River itineraries immerse you in culture and scenery every day, while ocean ones give you those chill days at sea to enjoy the ship. Shocking for many, River feels like a moving cultural tour,